Want to minimize ads on your iPhone? Follow these steps. Disable personalized ads. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Find the Apple advertising option. Click on it and toggle off personalized ads. This stops Apple from using your personal data, like your activity, interests, or purchases, to show you targeted ads. You'll still see ads, but they won't be tailored to you. Block pop-up ads in Safari. Return to the main settings menu. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Search for Safari and tap on it. Scroll down and enable Block Pop-up. This helps stop annoying pop-up ads while browsing in Safari, the kind that suddenly open new tabs or try to trick you with fake messages. Use content blockers. Open the App Store. Search for reputable ad blockers like AdGuard or AdBlock Plus. Download and install your chosen app. After installing, go back to Settings. Select Apps, then go to Safari Settings. Choose Extensions and enable all the AdGuard toggles. Content blockers remove banners, autoplay videos, and trackers from websites, making your browsing faster, safer, and ad-free. Disable location-based ads. Return to Privacy and Security. Select Location Services. Turn off location services or set specific apps like App Store or News to allow location access to never. Location-based ads track where you are to show ads based on your current location. Turning this off reduces targeted promotions when you're in certain places, like malls, stores, or cities. Limit ad tracking. Go back to Privacy and Security. Select Tracking. Toggle off Allow apps to request to track. This prevents apps from asking to track your behavior across other apps and websites. It limits third-party data collection, reducing personalized and retargeted ads. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick tips.